Welcome to a glimpse of Latchel's first free maintenance tool, a new kind of maintenance intake tool that streamlines the process of reporting and resolving maintenance issues. To begin, the tenant inputs their issue by describing it in their own words. This example is a real issue taken from one of the 20,000 work orders that Latchel processes every month. When the tenant clicks Submit, our system begins processing their request. It categorizes the tenant's input and confirms it with them. This looks like the issue we inputted, so let's hit Confirm. Once the tenant confirms the issue, Latchel provides actionable troubleshooting steps for the tenant to possibly fix their issue themselves. In this scenario, the troubleshooting steps successfully resolve their issue. The tenant confirms this by selecting Yes to the question, "Did this fix your issue?" and no further action is required. The issue is marked as resolved in our system. In a different scenario, the troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue. The tenant indicates this in the system by selecting No or Unable to perform steps. Our tool then generates a work order for the unresolved issue, which is forwarded to the property manager to process and assign a vendor. Sign up for our waitlist to be among the first to use this powerful tool.